What kinds of questions do you need to ask in order to choose your wedding photographer? I've got 5 of them. Number 1. Have they ever shot at your wedding venue? You don't want someone that has never shot as a primary photographer at your venue to shoot your wedding. Experience matters. Number 2. Do they have a strong enough personality in order to handle the family photo session as well as the wedding party session? Normally, people have already had a couple of drinks once it's time for the family photos. You want someone that's going to be able to quickly earn everyone's respect with a strong and authoritative voice and a little bit of humor. Number 3. Do they have a personality you want to be around? How about all day? You're going to be spending the majority of your wedding day with them. Be sure they're going to be able to keep the mood light and fun while still sticking to the schedule. Number 4. How many weddings have they shot? Personally, I know my work has only gotten better over the years. Do you really want someone to be learning as they go, in charge of all of your wedding photos? Number 5. Are they comfortable shooting in all kinds of situations? From dark reception spaces to a rainy day, a professional wedding photographer is going to be able to make the best of any situation and have examples of their work when things didn't go as planned. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please follow or subscribe for more content just like this.